What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Drew here, Wild and Out RC. We're back at it again, guys. I got the Scale Audio Solutions sound system installed in Project Budget Banger, and I had to do a bunch of mods to it, mod the interior. I 3D printed I designed and 3D printed a custom tray to lower the cargo area and make the box sit lower, and got it all installed and wired up. So if you want to see more of that, stay tuned and I'll show you the whole build. Alright guys, I got the rear cargo area printing, the drop down for it, something I designed. It's about 30%. 32% you can see, so I'll keep you posted when it gets a little closer to done. And it's my Anycubic Mega S, and yeah, so we'll come back when she's done and fill you guys in, show you what I made. I designed this little piece to drop down the cargo area, so we'll see how she turns out. Stay tuned. Alright guys, here's my 3D printed part. Yes, it is in my bathroom, but just because I have a fan in here and it's too cold outside to leave it outside to paint, for the paint to dry. So, little 3D printed part. It's got a lip on it. It's going to sit down in there, and then the box can sit inside of this. There's a good bit of dirt in it, but I don't really care. It's going to go under the truck anyway. My 3D print wasn't perfect, but I used a Dremel and cleaned it up as much as I could. I should have used some supports for that lip, but it is what it is. So, alright guys, stay tuned. I'm gonna let this dry, and I'll come back, and I still gotta paint the inside of it. So stay tuned and we'll get this installed, and I'll show you guys the final product. So we got the Jeep apart. I got the interior and stuff out of it right now. I have cut the back out of here from my 3D printed piece, and that's drying right now, so I'm just waiting on the paint to dry. We got the Endura Jeep right there all naked. Yeah, can't wait to get this bad boy back together. Waiting on this paint to dry, and a couple hours should be good. It seems it's drying pretty quick, so I just gotta let the outside dry and then paint the inside part, and she'll be good to go. Alright guys, we're back with Project Budget Banger. We got the system installed. You can see the Wild and Out RC on the top, speakers in the back. I got the 3D printed drop down in there to lower that speaker box down a little bit so it's not all the way to the roof. It looks a little more legit now. I can lower it some more. I do have a little foam pad in the little cup just to prop it up and to keep it from rattling or making noise, but I could put a thinner piece of foam in there and drop it down a little bit more if I need. I might possibly do that, but not quite sure yet. But for right now, it looks better than it did, and yeah, I'm really digging it, guys. I'm gonna play you a little bit of music and let you see how it sounds. Highly recommend it. Scale Audio Solutions. Go hit him up, Chris. He'll get you guys straight for your crawler sound system needs, or any kind of RC build. If you got you know, anything really, he can. I'm pretty sure he can tailor his products in many different forms for whatever kind of build you got. So let me play a little bit of music and let you guys hear it. Don't worry about the wire sticking out. It's going to be inside because I don't have a battery in the truck. I just have it hooked to the stereo for right now. But yeah, that'll be tucked away, so. Turn it up a little louder. Oh, wrong way. Sorry, guys. I do want to cut the windows out of this Jeep, make it a little bit louder. Probably only the driver and passenger, but that's for a later date. Yeah, guys, this thing is awesome. Alright, I think that's going to wrap it up. My little installation of my Scale Audio Solutions sound system into my project Budget Banger. We got her right here. She's all lit up, looking pretty. So, yeah, guys, we got it all set up. So, I'm definitely going to have some videos of this out on the trail, bumping some jams. And I highly recommend this product. I really do. I can't say enough. We got the Yoda sitting over there, which I'm going to be doing a little bit, some changes to that thing too. So stay tuned, guys. Like, comment, subscribe. Give me a shout out. You got any questions? Hit me up in the comments below. Go check them out. Scale Audio Solutions, guys. Really good product. Awesome guy. So till next time, YouTube. Stay tuned for Wildin' Out RC. All the new updates I'm coming out with very soon. Alright, y'all. Signing out.